Welcome to the Miljo Learning App. Miljo, spelled M-I-L-J-O, is a Norwegian word that means the environment. The Miljo app encourages students to explore the biomes of the world at their own pace. They can learn about unique plant and animal life as well as human impacts on the biome. The app has been designed with the Apple iPad in mind. The student can start their learning exploration by opening the app or by responding to a notification about their classmates' activities. On the home screen, they can choose an assigned biome and see a list of the different zones that they will be able to explore. In order to study each zone, they must complete two tasks. First, they must complete an environmental impact challenge, which teaches them about human impacts on the environment. Cleaning up ocean pollution, tackling deforestation in the rainforest, or discovering ways to reduce global warming in the tundra are all challenges that they may have to complete, depending on which biome and zone that they study. In this example, the student will tackle ocean pollution that has damaged the intertidal zone. Inside this challenge, the student sees the intertidal zone is filled with pollution that needs to be removed. The newspaper informs them that visitors are being encouraged to assist with the cleanup efforts and shows them how to interact with the items in the zone. In any order that they would like, they can tap around the zone to identify pollution and read about its impacts on the environment. Dragging the item to the correct disposal method in the dock removes the item from the zone. Dragging the item to the incorrect disposal method does nothing. Once a type of pollution has been removed completely, the student is rewarded by the return of native organisms and a pop-up explaining why the organisms have returned. Once the student has completed the Environmental Impact Challenge, they see that they have earned a group of iMessage stickers for their assistance, which can be used in the Miljo iMessage app. They also receive a notification congratulating them on their progress. They have helped return the zone to health. They can tap to continue to the now healthy zone and complete their reading assignment. As you may have noticed, in the bottom right corner of the screen is the Miljo menu. This menu is always present while inside a zone to quickly access hidden content. For instance, if they are confused about what their objectives are or have forgotten what they have left to complete, they can open their objectives panel. On this panel, they can tap on an objective to be shown exactly where it is in the zone. Tapping on the organism pulls up the reading and displays a zoomed view. Should the student want to take notes, they can access their notepad through the Miljo menu. After selecting which note they would like to edit, they can begin taking notes in 3 ways. If they'd like to handwrite or draw their notes, they can tap the pencil icon or double tap their Apple Pencil on the screen. Choice of point size, color, and use of palm rejection allows them to quickly take and customize notes. If they need more space to write, they can pull on the tab bar to stretch the writing space. If they'd like to type, they can tap on the type icon and then tap anywhere on the notepad to start a new text box and type using their smart keyboard. They could change the color of the box and modify the box size using a 2-finger pinch. Finally, if they'd like to take information from the text, they can drag and drop. They can either drag and drop the definition pop-ups that are already provided, or they can highlight an area of text and then drag it onto the notepad. When they do so, this creates a link between the note that they add to the pad and the text that it references. In order to complete the objective, the student must read to the final page of the reading and then tap the Objective Complete button. Once all of the objectives have been completed, the student has finished the homework. They earn a congratulations and a new Miljo badge, which can also be sent as an iMessage sticker. Completing the study of each zone earns a different iMessage badge that can be shared with their friends for discussion. They can open the Miljo iMessage app and then send these stickers to their friends in conversation. The Miljo app makes it easier for middle school students to learn about the natural world and human impacts on the environment by encouraging fun, self-paced exploration that goes beyond the textbook.